a guy does, he does guides, and then he also like basically does like a livery where he will hey, not too bad. Oh yeah, got that back hook. Oh, that's fun. First baby bass. Baby bass on the baby bass. Oh yeah. Good. Ew. Is that a rock bass? Sunfish. Under the chin?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say most of the sunfish.
Oh, he's peeing on me. I'd pee on me too. You see where I set that hook on?
Great at the editing part yet. I can fish plenty. What's that? 3 and 4 minutes, if that.
They're in there.
Wherever they are, they got to be holed up, because I'm telling you, looking at the creek, it is low. That looks good. Oh, I don't have my net. That's a nice fish, man. That's a... Stay on there. Oh, man. Get it. Oh. I think he's good. Can you get your hand to it? There you go. Yeah, that's a nice bass. That's a real nice bass.
Fish, Ohio.
I'll clip that and I'll send it to you. Oh, that's nice.
Dude, that's a good...
Where's your tape at?
Oh, it's...
Is it buried in there?
No, I'm not worried about it.
Okay, I was gonna say. Yeah, I'm switching.
Yeah.
I wanted to throw this, but yeah, that's... Man, that's a nice fish.
Quit. I said it too, didn't I?
Yeah.
There's a nice fish in there.
That's why I always wait up to this spot.
It's ready.
All right. I'll take a couple. Hey, I took 3. Man, that's a nice fish.
Quit.
He's strong. If I see something that I might like, my old lady's like, no, you're good. You're good. Oh, little one. It's good and shaded back there too.
They're all small.
Yep, they're all. And I hooked him under the, no, in the bottom, in the mouth, but through the out through the bottom. Oh, he pierced his own lip. There you go. That was a smaller hole. I think that's a bigger fish. Yeah.
Damn.
Double up. Oh. He still didn't take it though. I mean, a little deeper than the rest of them, but I guess he did. It was run through. Whoop. There he goes.
Just under 3 years. I just retired last May.
See, I didn't realize you were that old. I looked on your Facebook and said you were born in '78, because Brittany asked me. She's like, how do you know him? I was like, our boys used to play ball together. before they moved. And she was like, well, how old is he? And I was like, honestly, I'm not sure.
I'll be 45 when I float.
Because
Oh, God almighty, dude.
yeah, every one that I've had, nothing has choked it. I'll say that. It's on the outside.
Rocky.
That's a rock bass.
Another color I like is mudbug.
I don't think I've ever used it.
It's almost like a pinkish purple. I haven't caught very many big rock basses.
There we go. He ran over the other side. He's thick. I knew there had to be something in there. It looked too good. Yeah. He's a little darker than the rest of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bait look like him. Little shit.
Yeah, they are almost identical color. What is it? What'd you ask? I don't know. I know you started out on fire.
I just couldn't get one to fucking take the hook.
There he is.
Good fish.
I see it. He's thick.
She's like, why are these shoes sitting in the front door? I said, those are my creek shoes. She's like, those are brand new fucking shoes. I bought them like 6 years ago and I've only worn them a couple of times.
That's what I did with these Nikes. I wore them for a while and then eventually they just... I needed something with a better sole. When I was younger, I used to wear them Walmart water shoes, but man, they ain't got no protection on the bottom. If that's a fish, I either have something snagged or that's the biggest bass in my life. But I think I have something snagged.
I've seen it swirl, though.
No, that's a big smallmouth. Stay down. It's not bad.
That's a good fish.
I thought I had something. I thought I had something snagged. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah, when you set the hook, I saw it come to the top.
Oh, he's not hooked that great. Come here. He's not as big as that one you caught, but. Oh, hey.
That's a good fish, bud.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Good thick fish.
He's got good color on him.
Yeah, I love them tiger stripes.
I knew he was fixing to get back in.
Release on him. There he is. But as far as around here, that's honestly one of the bigger fish I've caught since it's gotten warm. Like I caught a few nice ones in spring, beginning of summer, before it got hot. But I really ain't caught much in the way of size this summer. There's another one. Oh, they're just strong. And I don't think a single hook I've hooked or fish I've hooked today has been like solidly hooked. Those were both out away from the grass. If that's a fish, I either have something snagged or that's the biggest bass in my life. But I think I have something snagged.
I've seen it swirl, though.
No, that's a big smallmouth. Stay down. He's not bad.
That's a good fish.
I thought I had something. I thought I had something snagged. I'm not even gonna lie.
When you set the hook, I saw it come to the top.
Oh, he's not hooked that great. Come here. He's not as big as that one you caught, but.
I thought.
Oh, hey.
That's a good fish, bud.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Good thick fish.
He's got good color on him.
Yeah, I love them tiger stripes. Oh yeah. Sitting up under that tree branch. I've hooked more fish down through the bottom today than I ever have.
That rock bass I just caught, it had hit in the bottom.
Oh, well. There we go. Little rock bass.